Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for today's video. I'm going to be showing you start to almost finish my office small business studio transformation. If you're new to my channel or you haven't kept up with my vlogs, hi, I'm Hannah. I own a stationery business called Dream Daily, and last month I got my first ever office. It is so exciting, and as soon as I saw the space, I immediately had ideas for how I want to decorate it, what furniture I wanted to buy, how I wanted to set it up, and it's been so cool over the past few weeks to see my vision actually come together. Let me show you guys the vision board I originally had for this office, and then you can do a comparison of how it actually turned out. Also, if you have a small business and you're watching this for inspiration, hi, I watched a lot of these types of videos before I decided to get my office space, and I seriously have dreamed about having a space dedicated for my business for years and years. So first I'm gonna show you what this space looks like completely empty, okay? Here's a little video. As you can see, it's like less than 200 square feet. There's two doors, one that goes into the rest of this little building and then one that goes outside to the porch. And now it is time to show you guys the finished 85% done office tour. I am so excited. It feels so clean and inspiring, and as soon as I walk in the door, I'm like, all right, let's get down to business. I'm so excited to get to work. So I really love how it turned out. If you want to see the final touches, I'm going to be showing it probably in TikToks and in vlogs. Studio vlogs are literally just videos of us working all day in here, shipping, working on new products. So if you're interested in like business specific videos, definitely check out the studio vlogs. So yeah, here is the finished product. Okay, so here's our cute little door area. Sorry, it's very windy out. I just have this mat I got from TJ Maxx to like kind of help us not track in so much dirt into the office. And then this little stand was actually abandoned by a tenant here, and they were like, you can just take whatever you want. So I grabbed it since it's black and kind of matches the vibe. I don't know what I'll put out here, if it'll stay here, but it's here for now. Eventually I do want a decal on our door that says Dream Daily or something like that, as a little office sign. But here we are. Here is the inside. Again, it's not completely finished. I want it to get a mirror, an arched black mirror for that corner. I think that's going to open up the space. But actually, when I put everything in here, it makes the space seem bigger than when I initially saw it. When I first saw the space, I was like, oh my gosh, like nothing is going to fit in here except maybe some inventory and a table. But now I'm like, wait, there's actually a ton of room. And I feel like I can keep adding a few little things here and there to make it perfect. But for now, this is the space. We're going to start in this corner. I have just my work bag that I bring in every day, and then my Flexispot standing desk. So this video is actually sponsored by Flexispot. So I want to talk a little bit about them and show you how easy this was to set up. I feel like whenever I see someone's amazing standing desk on social media or in a video, it's a Flexispot standing desk. They were kind enough to send me their Comhar all-in-one standing desk with the wooden top. I got it in maple. It's 48 inches in width, and I also got the cable management tray, the CMP 502. The package was a bit heavy, so you do need about 2 people to like help move it and set it up. But once we got the package, the desk in my office, it was so easy to put together, seriously just a few steps. And before we knew it, I was plugging it in and testing out the capabilities. The keypad is super easy to understand. There's just an up arrow, a down arrow. The movement of this desk is so smooth. Even with all my stuff on it, I have a candle, I have books, I have my laptop. Nothing shakes, nothing falls. There's also a little digital screen, so it tells you the exact height of the desk and, you know, if it reaches the top or the bottom or if there's any problems. There's also 4 buttons on the keypad, and those act as memory preset buttons. So literally when you find like a standing height that works for you, you can press the first button and it'll save that. And then when you find a sitting height that works for you, you can press the button number 2 and it'll save that. So you can easily get to the correct height with the push of a button. It also comes with 2 USB ports, which is perfect for plugging in my phone, charging my phone or other devices while I'm working. And there's also a USB Type-C port, which is so high-tech and amazing as well. This standing desk also comes with a super large drawer, which is so helpful. Right now, this is what I have in my drawer. It's going to change around, but I just have my keyboard and stuff for when I'm standing here and working, sticker sets, pens, scissors, note cards. These go in every order, and Post-it notes. Like I said, they also sent me their cable management tray, which we realized we actually don't need in this setup at this time, but I'm definitely going to be saving it for when I have a lot more cables coming from my desk. I may turn it into like a shipping station type of ordeal as well down the line, and then I'll definitely be needing this cable management tray, which easily adheres to the bottom of the desk. I will link both the items in the description box, so if you're looking to add and elevate your work from home setup or your office space, definitely check out Flexispot, and thank you to Flexispot for making this video possible. When I want to sit, I literally just bring one of these dining table chairs over. I honestly have room though for another chair here if I want to have a specific desk chair, but honestly don't really need it right now. Up here I just have a candle from my favorite store in Nashville, Happily Grey. This is from a local business in Nashville, Shop Novena, and then also this vase she also gifted me. My friend gave me from Shop Novena. Link everything in the description box. I have my laptop stand, my laptop, phone, water, speaker, and then this is another item that the tenants that were previously in this building were getting rid of, so I took it. Free whiteboard. Also does a cork board here at the bottom. I just have like some cute Pinterest photos I want to put more up here, and then I have some markers there at the top. Then down here is my little like shipping corner. I actually also may add like a pegboard above the desk. So a place to hold more tape, to hold pens, to hold other shipping supplies. But right now this is what I got. I have a few shipping boxes, so they're ready to go. My tape dispenser and custom tape. My Dymo shipping label printer. Then this is actually a desk mat I put on top of this little cart that I got from Target to kind of just make it white, and this wood didn't really match the maple on my desk, so we have that. And then here are my tote bag inventory. This is all we have left of the tote bags actually, so if you've been wanting a tote bag, now's your chance. We then have a little trash can, again I got from the last tenant, my tripod, and then again here I'm going to put a mirror or something to kind of fill up this space. Now we have my inventory shelf, which holds so much actually. This is from Home Depot. I just have packing materials for wholesale stuff at the top, which I want to make it look a little prettier, but right now that's that. These two bins just hold tech things, the cat food, samples, anything like that. Here's just all of our books unboxed there. I want to maybe get a shelf or something to display them on, but all of our products unwrapped. And then here is inventory. This is definitely not all my inventory. I have to take a trip home at the end of the month and get the rest of my workbook inventory. This is the last of the journals, these journals. So again, you're seeing it here. This is all we have left, but I have lots more of workbooks that I have to go grab from my parents, and then this shelf will be completely full. I just have a little claw clip here because I always want to put my hair up when I'm working, and it just fits so perfectly right here. And then I love these little hook things I got from Container Store. They just fit on top. We hang jackets here. Usually I'll put my keys there so I easily know where they're at. And then it's also great to display. This is the original reason I wanted them, to display some tote bags. So you can kind of see those hanging there. I think that's such a cute little detail. All right, now we have my printer, which is a Canon. I just got it off of Facebook Marketplace for $30. That was great. Then we have this new section, which I'm in love with, our little fridge and coffee center. I wish I could thrifting something to kind of get the fridge off the ground a little bit because it is kind of low, and I would like it to be a little bit higher. But in here, we just recently stocked it with some fun drinks. We got creamers, Olipop, Spindrifts. I got a little wrap in there, and there's a tiny little freezer with just ice for our iced coffee. They didn't want it anymore, and so thankfully they gave it to me for the office. This one's really nice actually because it makes espresso and coffee. So no matter what you're wanting, you can get either option, which my Nespresso I have at my apartment only does espresso. So I like how we have the option with this one. And then I have this little acrylic stand where I put some mugs. I'm gonna get some cuter, well, these kind of all match, but I want to get like one of those chubby mugs, and then some fun glasses for iced coffee or drinks. And then this is super cool. Oh my gosh, this is like a magnetic Nespresso pod holder I got off of Amazon. Here's the coffee pods, here's the espresso pods, and then these black and red ones are decaf. But seriously, it's so handy. It actually works really well. They have one that's not magnetic that you can just adhere to a wall or like the side of a cabinet. But I really, like, this could not have turned out better. It looks great. It's so functional and saves so much space. I do have a light switch here. So this turns on these overhead lights. They're not bad lighting at all. It is just a little bit more yellow. So for the sake of the video and for filming, I usually keep the lights off. All right, now we'll go out into the rest of the building. No one else is here, but as you can see, we have a bathroom right across from us, which is nice. There's really only like 3 people, me, Caroline, and another person who used this bathroom. We have broom and a little mop. It does the job. It works. And then this is the hallway for a few other offices. Some are empty, some are being transitioned, some are available. But yeah, it's actually like a really pretty long hallway with a lot of natural light. And then there's our little office. Okay, now we're gonna end with my favorite part of this office, which is this wall. This was like the immediate vision for this office when I saw it. I was like, I want a cute little work table, black and neutral colored, and I want this wall grid that can kind of serve as a vision board and show what we're working on lately. So we have just like some inspirational quotes, also some, like this is the design for the tote bag like printed out, which I think just looks super cool, and then some new things, some digital stuff, super fun. This table is from Overstock. It's the same as my dining table, just in black. I absolutely love it. It's really nice. It has lasted me years, my other one, and it's under $200. These chairs also under $200 each. They are from All Modern, which is like Wayfair, but more of a modern curated selection. These are phenomenal. I am obsessed with the look, obsessed with the feel. So easy to put together. I just have my tote bag, which I also bring to my office every day, on that chair, and I just love the look of this wall. It's so good for photos, for filming, and it's the perfect place for me and Caroline to be able to talk while we work, which is super nice, because if like one of us needs to stand and kind of get a change of scenery, we'll come over here, or I can sit and do work here. But this is really nice when you have two people to talk, to collaborate. I absolutely love it. I am in love with this space, and I hope you guys enjoyed coming along and seeing it kind of be put together. We're still going, so make sure to follow along to kind of see how the rest of it turns out. But for the most part, this is like exactly how I envisioned it, and I'm so happy with how it turned out.